Instapage Website Builder Honest Review, watch before using. Links to Instapage are included in the description below if you want to explore it further. Instapage is a specialized website builder primarily focused on creating high-converting landing pages, making it ideal for businesses and marketers looking to drive conversions. Unlike general-purpose website builders, Instapage is tailored for marketers who need advanced customization options and tools designed to optimize campaigns. One of Instapage's standout features is its drag-and-drop editor, allowing you to design pixel-perfect pages without any coding. It offers a range of pre-built templates, making it easier to build landing pages that align with specific goals, whether it's for lead generation, product launches, or special offers. Another key feature is the heat map tool, an analytics add-on that shows where visitors are clicking on your landing page, helping you understand user behavior and optimize accordingly. Instapage also shines with its A/B testing functionality, which is critical for marketers to test different versions of a page and see what drives the highest conversions. For teams, the collaboration tools are a huge plus. They allow you to share feedback directly within the platform, streamlining communication during the design and approval process. Additionally, the platform integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Google Ads, Salesforce, and MailChimp, enhancing its value for comprehensive marketing efforts. Instapage is an excellent choice for digital marketers, agencies, and businesses with a focus on ROI and conversion rate optimization. However, it's important to note that Instapage is on the pricier side, which might be a consideration for smaller businesses. If you need a landing page builder with advanced marketing features, Instapage offers great value. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth, honest reviews on tools that can elevate your business. Thanks for watching.